Do you want to unlock your financial freedom? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Let's talk about a superpower that can change your life: financial literacy. It's the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills. Think of it as a toolkit. In it, you have skills like personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. These tools are crucial for long-term financial success and protecting yourself from financial fraud. But here's the kicker. This superpower is not as common as you might think. In fact, 2/3 of Americans are lacking these vital financial skills. That's right, 66% of people don't have the knowledge to manage their finances effectively. This lack of financial literacy leads to unsustainable debt burdens and negative consequences. We're talking about things like poor credit and even bankruptcy. It's like trying to build a house with no tools. It's not going to end well. But the good news is, resources are available to educate us about finance. These resources cover skills like household budgeting, debt management, and evaluating credit and investment products. It's not just about understanding the numbers, it's about understanding how those numbers affect your life. Financial literacy also includes understanding key financial concepts and responsible use of financial products. You know, things like mortgages and student loans. It's about planning for retirement and saving early. Because let's face it, many of us are unprepared for retirement. The lack of financial literacy has left millennials unprepared for financial crises. They're dealing with high levels of debt and lack of emergency funds. But it doesn't have to be this way. Financial literacy has broad implications for economic health and empowers you to make smarter decisions. It's like being given the keys to a car. You have the power to drive your financial future in the direction you want to go. So, are you ready to take that first step? Understanding your finances is the first step to taking control of your financial future. But what happens when we don't understand our finances? Well, let's delve into that, shall we? Financial illiteracy, the lack of understanding about how money works, can have severe consequences. It's like stumbling in the dark, not knowing where the pitfalls are or how to avoid them. One of the biggest dangers of financial illiteracy is the potential for unsustainable debt burdens. Without a solid understanding of interest rates, credit, and loans, it's easy to fall into a cycle of borrowing that becomes increasingly difficult to escape from. This can lead to a mountain of debt that feels impossible to climb, trapping you in a cycle of repayments and interest charges that can feel like a never-ending spiral. Then, there's the issue of poor credit. If you're not financially literate, it's difficult to understand how your actions today can impact your future ability to borrow money or even rent an apartment. Late payments, maxed out credit cards, and defaulted loans can all lead to poor credit scores. This can have far-reaching consequences, making it harder for you to get loans, credit cards, or even jobs in the future. And let's not forget about bankruptcy. While it may seem like a last resort solution to overwhelming debt, the effects of bankruptcy can be long-lasting and devastating. It can impact your ability to borrow money for years to come, and the emotional toll it takes can be severe. But the consequences of financial illiteracy aren't just personal. They can also have a broader impact on economic health. When large numbers of people struggle with debt and bankruptcy, it can lead to economic instability and even crises. Furthermore, financial illiteracy can also mean missing out on opportunities to grow your wealth. Without understanding how to invest, save for retirement, or manage your money effectively, you're likely to miss out on the chance to secure a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. So, ignorance is not bliss when it comes to finances. Understanding your finances is essential for long-term financial success and avoiding the pitfalls that can lead to debt, poor credit, and bankruptcy. It's time to turn on the lights and navigate your financial journey with confidence and knowledge. The good news is, there's a solution to this problem, and it's called financial education. Now let's delve into what financial education entails and why it's your secret weapon to achieving financial freedom. Financial education is the cornerstone of building financial literacy. It's the process of gaining the knowledge and skills to manage money effectively, enabling you to make informed and effective decisions with all your financial resources. It's not just about learning how to save or invest, but understanding how money works in the world, how to manage it, and how to invest it to generate wealth. There's an array of resources available to help you on this journey. Government-sponsored initiatives, for example, provide a wealth of information and tools to help individuals improve their financial literacy. The U.S. Financial Literacy and Education Commission is one such resource that offers valuable insights into money management, credit, loans, retirement planning, and more. There are also numerous online platforms, books, and courses that offer in-depth financial education. So, the resources are out there, waiting for you to tap into them. A comprehensive financial education covers key skills that are crucial for long-term financial success. Let's start with household budgeting. It's the art of balancing your income against your expenses. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious decisions about spending and saving. Next, we have debt management. It's about understanding the cost of borrowing, managing repayments, and avoiding the pitfalls of unsustainable debt. It's also about knowing your rights as a borrower and protecting yourself from predatory lending practices. Finally, evaluating credit and investment products. This skill empowers you to understand and compare different financial products, whether it's a mortgage, a credit card, or an investment fund. It enables you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In essence, financial education is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the knowledge that equips you to navigate the complexities of the financial world confidently and responsibly. It's the tool that empowers you to take control of your money instead of letting money control you. Financial education is the roadmap to your financial freedom. It's the key to unlocking the door to a secure and prosperous financial future. So, start your journey today. The road to financial freedom awaits you. So, what's the real power of financial literacy? Let's break it down. It's about empowerment. It's about the freedom to make informed decisions that can shield you from financial fraud. It's about knowing how to manage your credit, your debts, and your investments. But let's not forget about the future. It's about understanding the importance of saving early and planning for retirement. Financial literacy equips you with the tools you need to navigate through the financial jungle of life. It's the compass that guides you towards sound financial decisions, steering you clear from the pitfalls of poor credit and unsustainable debt. It's the shield that protects you from the enticing but deceptive allure of financial scams. It's the key that unlocks the door to a sustainable financial future, the map that leads you towards financial independence. And it's the light that illuminates the path to your financial goals, no matter how lofty they may be. Financial literacy is not just about managing your money, it's about managing your life. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's a small action, but it means a lot to us. It helps us reach more people and spread the important message of financial literacy. And speaking of spreading the word, why not share this video with your friends and family? They might benefit from it too. After all, financial literacy is not just for the individual, it's for the community. It's a collective effort. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial education content. Stay tuned for more insightful videos that will empower you to take control of your financial future. Remember, knowledge is power. Let's spread the power of financial literacy together.